I guess here 3 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 4 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 5 square. Here 3 plus 8 is 11 times 4 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 5 square. Here 11 times 4 is 44 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 5 square. Here 44 minus 6 is 38 divided by 2 plus 5 square. Here 38 divided by 2 is 19 plus 5 square. Here 19 plus 5 square is 25. Here 19 plus 25 is 44 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 44 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is the exponent. We have exponent here is 2 power 3 and 5 power 2. We have to do this before any other operation. So 3 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 4 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 5 square. Here 3 plus 8 times 4 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 5 square is 25. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication, division before this addition and subtraction and this addition. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. So here it is left to right. So we have to do this 8 times 4 before any other operation. So 3 plus 8 times 4 is 32 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 25. Here addition, subtraction, division and addition. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition, subtraction and addition. So 3 plus 32 minus here 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 25. Here we have addition, subtraction and addition. Here addition and subtractions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 3 plus 32. 3 plus 32 is 35 minus 3 plus 25. Here we have subtraction and addition. Again this left to right rule. Both are equal priority. No? For this left to right is 35 minus 3. 35 minus 3 is 32 plus 25. Here 32 plus 25 is 57 is the correct answer.